Hi, I'm Andrea Strange, Public Outreach Coordinator, and this is Matt Powell, Environmental Manager for the city's Environmental Compliance Division. Today, we're in Jennings Creek, just outside Preston Miller Park, and we're going to do a fun activity called Stream in a Jar.
All right, so the idea behind this is that we've got a stream that's not really big enough to fish, so how else can we kind of explore this stream, get some science from this stream, and be a little bit entertained while we're all still trying to social distance? We got this idea from YouTube, and this is her and I's first opportunity to give it a try. We've got a 1-gallon glass pickle jar, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to get a lot of the examples of microbial life and really, really tiny life out of this stream so that we can observe it over the course of the next several days. What I'm getting ready to do is to take the lid off this jar. I'm going to stick it down in the stream, try to get some of the bottom sediment, some of the moss that I see, and any kind of detritus material or dead limbs, dead leaves, that kind of thing that's floating around the stream, get it all inside this jar, get a good healthy mix, and then we're going to watch it slowly over the course of the next several days and bring you guys updates as all those things separate out and just see what kinds of tiny life we find in this stream.
All right, you guys ready? Let's do it.
One last rinse. Should be totally clean. We ate all the pickles. So I'm just going to stir up the bottom of the stream, try to make sure that I get some sediment, try to get a little bit of moss off some of the rocks. Not trying to really fill it up, just trying to get some examples of everything that I see down here. A little bit of mud and a little bit of sand.
Watch out for snakes.
So now I'm going to wind up with a jar that looks like that.
Looks like we've got a good mix of everything that Matt told us about before he started. A little bit of moss, a lot of sediment, and a lot of water.
And we're going to take that, put that in a safe place, let it get just a little bit of sunlight. Don't want it to get too warm. Definitely want to keep it inside where it's cool. And we'll check back in on this guy just every few days and see what we find.
All right. Happy Earth Week, guys.